Moukey 3000 Malawian kwaches / 41-inch bundle. Complete beginner kit. If you want an out-of-the-box starter kit that literally includes everything, the Moukey 41-inch 3000 Malawian kwaches bundle is built for beginners who don't want to hunt down accessories separately. The package typically includes the full-size Dreadnought guitar. Cutaway options exist: a padded gig bag, tuner, capo, strap, extra strings, and a cord poster. And I saw Amazon listings around $129.99 for the full bundle at the time I checked. That price and package make it a no-brainer if you need a ready-to-play kit. Real buyers tend to praise the Moukey for comfort and surprising tone for the category. Many say the neck is easy for beginners and that the accessories are genuinely useful for practice. Criticisms are predictable for a budget bundle. Finish and fretwork occasionally need a tweak, and the included tuner / capo are basic, but most users agree the value proposition is strong. You'll often see Moukey bundles rated around 4+ stars on retailer pages with multiple customer videos and unboxings online. Quick take: if you want to open the box and start learning without additional purchases, Moukey's starter bundle is a pragmatic, budget-friendly pick. We share buy links in description box.